out taxes or risk missing out on government contracts. That was a warning from Finance Minister Colm Imbert in Parliament as he introduced a bill of tax amnesty retroactively from October 1st to December 31st, 2024. The amnesty covers all taxes, including property tax and NIS payments. More in this report from Kandace Jackson.
Finance Minister Colm Imbert has instructed large, small and medium-sized businesses to pay their taxes by December 31st or risk being excluded from government contracts.
I want to urge them, take advantage of this amnesty, get your national insurance payments in order, get your income tax payments in order, because if you don't, you will not be able to tender for public goods and services.
Under the 2024 Office of the Procurement Regulation OPR guidelines, businesses tendering for goods and services to the government or state agencies must present a tax compliance certificate to be eligible. Finance Minister Colm Imbert announced a tax amnesty in the national budget from October 1st to December 31st, 2024. While introducing the legislation in Parliament, he explained the amnesty waives all interest and penalties on overdue taxes.
If the individual or the corporation fails to take advantage of the amnesty period, fails to make the tax payments that are due, owed and payable, the associated interest and penalties are restored upon expiry of the amnesty period.
The tax amnesty applies to all taxes including income tax, NIS, VAT, stamp duty, tourism taxes, and property tax. It also extends to the gaming industry, as the government aims to enforce the new Gambling, Gaming and Betting Control Act by December 31st, 2024. Imbert cautioned that this will be the industry's final chance to settle taxes under the current Registration of Clubs Act.
There will be no opportunity once that law is repealed, when we proclaim the Gambling and Gaming Act, for persons who have been gambling, operating gambling houses in private clubs to get a waiver of penalties and interest in the future.
As the government advances the development of the Revenue Authority, Imbert noted that this could be the last tax amnesty the country sees for a long time.
Because we know what that can cause. It can create an expectation and a dependency that taxpayers will just be complacent and wait for the next amnesty.
The Finance Minister projects that a tax amnesty will generate $1.5 billion in revenue from 20,000 business owners and taxpayers. Kandace Jackson, Tobago Updates, Television News.